Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's question is simplify 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2. So let's see. If we write this 1 by 4 as 4, so this negative value becomes positive. We all know that. That means if it gets reversed, the sign of the power will be changed. So 4 to the power 2, similarly 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2. So simple. 4 to the power 2 is 16, we all know, plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 3 to the power 2 is 9. 16 plus 4, 20, and plus 9, 20 equals to 29. That's a simple question. So that is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.